Welcome to Club Europe. Yep, fat and mold. Oh, the old neon. The old neon. Of course, the old dance floor. Warped to hell. Yep. I've seen it like this at the that abandoned Dillards I explored. An abandoned Dillards out in yeah. Someone was smart. Ugh, that's my shit. Go. Yeah. Stay trippy. People probably done shrooms and stuff here. Interesting. Whoa. Probably. Yeah, mold buildup. Holy hell, this place is huge. Oh my god.
Oh, it looks like this is the add-on cart for bigger paper tray.
Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this.
Oh my goodness, remix. Right, remix.
All this state. That chair's creepy as hell.
Hmm?
That chair is creepy as hell.
I can't see the chair.
Yep. The entrance to the place.
Okay, this is
Yeah, one of the conference areas, actually former hotel, so. Oh my god. Here, kill the light. Kill the light. That's not the entrance I used. This used to be something so much greater. And now it's just rot. Ooh, that mold's horrible. That mold's overpowering. Storage cooler. The old kitchen. There's old files here, I think. It's all kitchen equipment. Need some dishes? Need some dishes? Old bus trays. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen those in a long time in any place I've worked. Server trays. Yeah, this must have been the old dish pit. Oh yeah, it was. Lots of mold growing too. Yeah. Yeah, that's just people that wanna. You could tell that this was that all. This was standing up all at one point in time. Yeah. Hmm?
Yeah, another fax machine.
Yeah, that's really. Wait. Oh, I thought that was lit up. Derp, derp. Oh, scrappers have come through here. Scrappers have been coming through here.
Pulling all the wires?
Yeah. Pulling out all the copper they can. People just trying to survive. Yeah. Okay, that's one of the exits.
What is that? No, this laundry?
Yeah, probably for like the towels and stuff.
Yeah, all the linens for the kitchen, probably.
Cold storage, dry storage.
Mm-hmm.
Is it that obvious? I've worked in a lot of kitchens. And a bathroom with a shower area. That's interesting.
Hmm.
They're gonna.
Oh, they go.
Excuse me. Oh my god, it stinks. And one of the other stage areas. Whoa. Old chandelier. Someone was trying to do some experiments. Someone was trying to mess around. Probably trying to figure out if they could make them blow up. My guess. Old chairs. Of course, more exits. Hello. Blankets. Weird. Hey, look! Decorative art. Oh, hello. Need a jack stand?
What's that?
Need a jack stand?
Oh, I got some. There's jack stands in there.
Oh, this.
Oh, this is yours.
Yeah.
That would be a little overkill.
Maybe. This is recent. Well, within the past decade.
Mm-hmm.
Well, 2 decades.
They've done remodeling and all that.
Yeah, but this probably been sitting still for who knows how long. I'm not surprised.
How does it like them in here?
Probably. Someone's gonna light some up and this whole place is gonna catch fire. Like, I can see it happening with the way that this place is in. You could get lost in here. Hey, I found the electrical room.
Oh boy.
Yep. Door to nowhere? What? There's a lot of coupons and paper down here. It's breezy too. Let's see, coupon expires 4/30/2012.
Mm-hmm. That's a return. Damn, look at this.
Oh.
Somebody had a catalog for porno shoes. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I found. Looks like a server room.
Oh, what's going on? Hey, Erica.
Yo.
Take a shot of this here.
Okay, hold on. I'm pretty sure it's a server room. I'm not sure of my footing, so this could go anyway. Oh my gosh.
They looks like they got most of the equipment. There's an old monitor here.
Yeah.
CRT.
Old cooking oil and shit. Huh. Yeah, looks like one of the bars over here. Looks like one of the former bars. Yeah.
Yeah, it's small, right?
Mm-hmm. Good old Club Europe. You get lost in this damn place. Old desk and paperwork. Books, chairs. Yeah, it looks like one of the businesses here. Oh, I see where we're at. Okay.